Do you love wine? Are you wondering where the best wine regions in Europe are? We will help you find the best vineyards, tastings, and experiences in France, Portugal, and Italy. Welcome back to Town Travel Tips. Today, we list for you the top 5 wine regions in Europe, how to reach them, and which wines you should taste while you're there. Before starting, don't forget to give us a like, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Number 1. Tuscany. Tuscany is a central Italian region between the Apennines and the Tyrrhenian Sea. You might want to arrive in Florence for its artistic history and charming streets. Still, to access the wine region's heart, you have to move to Siena. If you look for a medium-sized town, either San Giminiano or Montalcino if you prefer villages. From there, for wine lovers, the whole area is a huge playground. Brunello and Chianti are the most notable wines. You can visit several vineyards and have dedicated wine tastings and dinners with local products. But the tip here is to book in advance because the most prominent names get sold out quickly. Number 2. Champagne. Before being a sparkling wine, Champagne is a region. Located northeast of Paris, it can be easily reached by direct trains from the French capital. Reims is where you want to set base. From there, it's up to you. Côte de Blanc and Côte de Sézanne are maybe the most prominent regions. Still, every vineyard in the area is worth visiting and has a great history. Book in advance wine tastings within the major brands such as Moët and Chandon. But do not forget to look for tiny vignerons, or producers, like the ones in the Abonney area. Less famous, yet real artisans of the art of champagne. Number 3. Piedmont. Italy is a major wine producer, and every region has typical authentic wines. Yet Tuscany and Piedmont are the most relevant areas, and are constantly in competition for the best wine products worldwide. Barolo and Barbaresco are 2 names you surely know. The chance to visit the Nebbiolo vineyards, where these generous grapes are grown, is a fantastic opportunity you should not pass on. Although red wine is prominent, Piedmont also has excellent white wines, such as the ones produced by Walter Massa. To get to the heart of Piedmont, land in Turin and reach the Langhe region by train or car. From there, you can get lost hill after hill, wine after wine. Number 4. Bordeaux. Bordeaux is probably the most famous wine region worldwide and has produced exquisite wines for centuries. The territory is blessed with fantastic terroir and salty winds from the Atlantic Ocean. The foremost vineyards are located in the Médoc, Armagnac, and Saint-Emilion. In the latter, mythological areas like Pomerol, famous for its Merlot and Cabernet Franc grapes, produce the most expensive red wines ever. Bordeaux is democratic though. Coming here will mean witnessing some of the most pricey bottles, but also having great wine tastings of excellent products with an impressive price-to-quality ratio. Wine is truly a religion in France, and a direct flight to Bordeaux will confirm it. Number 5. Alentejo. Wine doesn't necessarily rhyme with Italy or France. Spain and Portugal have significant local products, and some regions are getting more and more fame for their excellent job. Alentejo in Portugal is a clear example of this trend. This southern Portuguese region has more than 250 producers and several wine festivals strictly connected to the rhythm of nature. In December, in Cabecao or Vila de Frades, it is possible to taste the new wine in the making, the one harvested in late August or September. From a region once famous only for cork producing, names like Borba, Redonda, Portalegre, and Mura are music to every wine enthusiast's ear. Landing in Lisbon and renting a car is the easiest way to access many vineyards, and you can book online tours and tastings. Are you planning a trip around wine tasting territory? Leave your comments below on other fantastic destinations. We love hearing from you. That's all for today's video. Take care, and until next time, ciao!